Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add your own custom domain to ProtonMail and use it to send and receive emails securely and privately. This is great for freelancers, businesses, or anyone who wants a professional email address like your name at yourdomain.com using ProtonMail. Before we begin, here's what you will need. A ProtonMail Plus account, business or visionary plan. Custom domains aren't available on the free tier. Access to your domain registrar like GoDaddy, Namecheap, Google Domains or Cloudflare. Around 10 minutes. Alright, first of all, log into your ProtonMail account. Enter your credentials, email and password, then click sign in. Then head over to settings and click on domains. In the left sidebar, click add domain and enter the domain you want to use like example.com. Hit next. ProtonMail will now give you some DNS records to add at your domain registrar. These records help ProtonMail verify your ownership and route your emails securely. Now open a new tab and log into your domain registrar dashboard like GoDaddy. Then add the following records: txt type, txt record. This is for domain verification. Copy it exactly from ProtonMail. Then mx records. This route your email to ProtonMail servers. Then SPF record helps prevent spam and spoofing. Then DKIM record or CNAME record. This secures your email and improves deliverability. Finally, TMARC record, optional but highly recommended for better email protection. Make sure you don't already have old MX, SPF or DKIM records. Remove them first. Once you have added all the records, head back to ProtonMail and click verify. This may take a few minutes depending on your registrar's DNS update speed. After your domain is verified, you can now create your custom email address. Go to settings, then identity, click add address, and type your new email like your @yourdomain.com. You can also set this new address as your default email and create a custom email signature. This helps when replying from mobile or desktop apps. Now it's time to rest. Try sending and try sending an email to and from your new ProtonMail custom domain. Make sure everything is working perfectly. If something's not working, check, are the DNS records copied exactly? Is the TTL set to the lowest possible, like 1 hour? Did you wait at least 15 to 30 minutes? DNS updates take time. Make sure there are no duplicate records that could cause conflicts. You can also set up catch all email, create multiple addresses, or link it with ProtonMail bridge. If you use desktop clients like Outlook or Thunderbirds. And that's it. You are now using your own domain with ProtonMail. Stay secure and look professional while doing it. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips every week. See you in the next time. Thanks for watching.